Hi guys, this is Boy Bink. I'm back for another video. Today I will show you how to how to add the Discord bot into your server. The first thing, go to Safari or any web browser. Go and share for Discord bot and wait for a second. It depends on your internet connection. Sorry about that. We have trouble here. When after that you have, let's see, wait for a second. You see, when you share for Discord bot, you have the first website hit Discord about. From there, search for specific bots. Let's see, it's for art. You see, Martini. Let's edit it. Hit any bot you need and hit invite and wait for a second. Let's open new window and you need to type your password and username. You see, you need to add it your server here. You see, you have my two server. I add in the SG. I hit continue and scroll down, hit authorize and hit I am human and wait a second. That load your, you see you have navigation here, navigation in Discord app that you have added the bot in your server. And this video for today, I hope it for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.